Students, welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, in last class we have completed the chapter number 3, eating habits of animals. So dear students, now we are going to solve exercise part. So dear students, are you ready? Okay, now we will going to solve exercise part. Before going to the exercise part, let's see what is our solution of yesterday's homework. Okay dear students, now we are going to start here. Dear students, this is the homework answers. Okay, so here match the following. You have to match the things which is related to that particular animal. So buffalo, okay, so buffalo is relating to the choose the curd. Okay, continuously buffalo, what they are doing, they are continuously chewing the curd. Next is the snake. How the snake is having their food? By swallowing. Okay, swallows its prey whole. It means they are catching the animals like a frog and grab it in the whole part of frog. Next is the dog. How dog is eating? By lapping the milk. They are laps the milk. Butterfly, what they are doing? They are sucks nectar using a thin tube. They have a thin tube which is attached to the mouth. So with this long thin tube they are going to suck the nectar. Okay, and next is the squirrel. What squirrel are doing? Squirrel is gnawing, or you can say naps. What is the spelling of naps? G-N-A-W-S. This is the naps. So this is yesterday's homework. Now dear students, we are going to start our exercise part, or you can say evaluate part. Okay dear students, so already we have solved here. So let's discuss one by one. So first question, we have objective type questions. Okay, in the objective type questions, each questions you have to given as a 4 answers, so you have to choose it. So first you have to tick the correct answer. So what is our first question? The animals that eat only plants. Okay, so the animals that eat only plants are known as a, whether they are carnivore? No. Whether they are omnivore? No. Whether they are herbivores? Yes. These are the answers. So answer is a herbivore, is a C option. So you have to be tick it and write here in the blank part. Next is the a grasshopper is an omnivore? No. Carnivore? No. Whether they are eating flesh of animals? No. Whether they are eating only grass or plants? Yes. So grasshopper is a herbivores. Okay, so what is the answer of second question? A grasshopper is an herbivore. Next, third question is a rat dash its food. How rat is having or grabbing their food? Whether they are lapping? No. Whether they are tearing and chewing? No. Whether they are masticates? No. So whether they are naps? Yes, directly they are grab their food with the help of their front teeth and grab the food. So this is our answer. Okay dear students, so these answers we have completed. That is a objective type questions. Okay, now we are going to solve our next part, that is the true or false. So here what we have to do, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, so correct the false statements in your notebook. Okay, so dear students, if the question is raised in the false, then you have to be right in your textbooks. Okay, so first question is plants have no role in a chain food. So this is the false statement, because plants have a main role in a food chain, because the herbivores animals, they are eating the plants and that animals is eaten by another animal. So in the food chain, plants having the main role. So answer should be plants have a role in a food chain. So you have to be cut it and you have to write answer in your notebook. So this is the false statement. Next question is, an elephant is a herbivore while a bear is a carnivore. So dear students, Elephant is a herbivore because elephant is eating only grass, okay, or you can say green plants. But whether bear is a omnivore, carnivore? No, the bear they are omnivore because they are eating both the things like a green plants as well as the flesh of animals, okay. So this is the false statement. So what you have to write? An elephant is a herbivore while a bear is a omnivore. What is that bear? It is the omnivore, okay. So you have to be write this answer in your notes. Next question is, plants and animals depends on each other for food, okay. So third question, that is the plants and animals, whether they are depending with each other for food? Yes, they are depending with each other for their food. Plants are releasing oxygen, so animals are taking the oxygen, and as well as for making the food of plants, what they need sunlight, water as well as carbon dioxide. So how they will get the carbon dioxide? From the help of animals, or you can say human beings. So they are depending with each other. This answer is true, so no need to do here any correction. So you can leave as it is. So just only two questions you have to write, that plants have a role in a food chain, that is the correct statement, and elephant is a herbivore while a bear is a omnivore. So you have to be right in this manner. So this is your answer, okay. Now let's discuss the next question. Unscramble the words. Unscramble the letters and define the following words. So dear students, you have to be unscramble the words. So whatever words are there, you have to be scramble it, okay. So you have to write in a proper manner. So the answer is CSTMTIATNIO. So answer is a mastication. What is the answer here? This is the mastication. What is the answer? MASTICATION, mastication. Next is the FDOOCHCIAN. So answer should be food chain. Next is the BHREIVRO. So what should be the answer? It should be herbivore, okay. So this is our answer about the mastication, food chain and the herbivores. So dear students, I have not defined these words. Just take your help of your textbooks. First you write the answer, because you should do the habit of reading textbooks, okay. So just this search this answer from textbook. If you will not get the answer, then tell to me, I will share the answer, okay dear students. So this is our answer of this unscramble words, okay. Now let's go for the next question. Encircle the odd one out and give reason, okay. So here you have to be circle it odd one. So first is goat, crow and the elephant. So in this three combination, what is the different thing? Whether goat and crow both are same? No. Whether crow and elephant both are same? No. So here you may define this answer in this way. First one, goat, crow, elephant. Both are, three are the animals, but goat and elephant both are animals. They are eating what? They are eating the green plants. So which category they are? They are categorized as herbivore. What about the crow? Crow is the omnivore, as well as crow is bird, but not as a animal, okay. So this is our answer. Next is the cow, grass and tree. So here what is the different one? Whether cow is different one, grass is different one or tree is different one. So answer should be cow, because cow is the animal, whereas grass and tree both are the green plants, okay. So this is the difference between the cow and grass, tree. Next is the cow, buffalo and the rat, okay. So here what is the main difference between these three things? Cow and buffalo both chewing the curd, okay. Chewing the curd means continuously they are chewing their food. But what about the rat, what they are doing? They are doing to gnawing the food. Okay, with the help of their front teeth, they are gnawing the food. Next is the rabbit, fox, squirrel. Okay, so here rabbit, fox, squirrel. What is the different three things in this? That is the rabbit. Why rabbit is a different from fox and a squirrel? Fox is the wild animals as well as the omnivore, and squirrel, fox is a carnivore, not a omnivore. Squirrel is a gnawing the food, but how they are rabbit? So here the answer should be fox, not as a rabbit. So please dear students, make it correction, because rabbit and a squirrel both are gnawing the food, whereas fox is tearing the food then having the food. Okay, so this is the answer. Fox should be the answer, because rabbit and the squirrel both are gnawing the food, but fox is a, what they are doing? Fox, they are tearing the food, then they had their food. Okay, so this is our answer of all the question. Long answer questions we are going to solve in the next class, or better just I will send in the PDF form. So while writing you can make it correction there. Okay dear students, so let's meet in the next class with the new concept. Have a good day. Bye bye.